Hello guys, in this video we'll be learning about range and coefficient of range. So the formula for range is equal to largest value minus smallest value. So this is the formula for range, and coefficient of range is equal to largest value minus smallest value divided by largest value plus smallest value. So this is the formula for range and coefficient of range. So let's solve this with an example problem. So first, in raw data we will solve. Example, this is the question, largest value minus smallest value. So range is equal to largest value. The largest value in this is 20 minus the smallest value. The smallest value is 9. So this is equal to 11. And now we'll find the coefficient of range. So that is the largest value minus the smallest value, and largest value add with the smallest value. So here if you minus, it's 11 and here it's 29. So 11 divided by 29 is 0.37. So this is how you solve in raw data. Now let's move on to discrete frequency. So for example, x and f, the value is being given, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 3, 5, 9, 6. So let's find out the range. So here L minus S. So here you need to see in the x value. So largest is 40, smallest is 10. So that is equal to 30. Now coefficient of range, that is 40 minus 10 divided by 40 plus 10. So this is 30 divided by 50. So you get is 0.6. Now in continuous frequency, for example problem, we have V, that is 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, and 25 to 30. So here in this you need to look into these variables. So the largest value is 30 minus the smallest value is 10. So this is equal to 20. This is a range actually. Now coefficient of range is 30 minus 10, 30 plus 10. So 20 plus divided by 40. So this is equal to 0.5. So this is how you find out range and coefficient of range. This is actually very simple to learn. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.